Now, when I get into my car and I see all the debris all over, it is like the worst thing. And honestly, I don't want to spend a lot of time in my garage because it's so cold right now cleaning it up. If I used my big vacuum to do it, I'd have to plug it in, I'd have all the doors open. What if there was a vacuum that existed that could fit in your hand, and as the mess is made in your car, you can just instantly clean it up? So every single time you go back to it, you would be able to have that clean car. And wouldn't it be great if that vacuum also doubled as a blower? We'll leave it to Limitless to be able to come up with exactly that. This is a clearance price of $39.99. It should be $63, so we're looking at $23 in savings today and putting on an easy payment of $13.33. You get the vacuum. That is a 2-in-1. The front side of this is what is going to have the suction power that's going to allow for it to be able to suck up the debris. And then the back end of this is a blower that is going to allow for you to be able to clean up maybe your keyboard if it gets dusty. Maybe you're going to use this for the little leaves that gather on top of your outdoor patio furniture. It's going to be a great 2-in-1 design. We give you all the accessories, the carry case as well. You know, I think it was really thought of in mind for like people who have cars that like to keep them clean, but there's a lot of different reasons to be able to love this. And to walk us through all of it, Scott Hind is here. What's up, buddy?
Nice to see you, my friend.
Nice to see you as well.
Hey, congratulations on your new show, man. I'm happy.
Thank you. Yeah,
awesome,
Saturday
man.
Night Q. I can't wait for you to be in it.
I hope so, man. It's great.
So yeah, that's coming up. We just had our first one. It's great.
Yeah, it's great. And you know what? This is one of those products, Justin, where I love the product. I don't like the name, and I'll tell you why.
Oh, why is that?
Well, because it's an all-around vacuum. I don't think it's just your car. I mean, it's a great car
That's
vacuum,
true.
but you could take this all around your home. And
Completely.
you know, it's a duster, it's a vacuum, it's super powerful, gives you a good long run time, and it's less than a pound. It's easy to use.
You know, even to the point that it's less than a pound, my grandma, she's not allowed to hold more than 5 pounds.
Right.
So for her, just to do a little bit of cleaning around the house, this would be great. But look at the suction power with this.
Is he actually stuck to the carpet there?
I can't
It's so
believe it.
powerful, yeah. So we're just getting little stuff that you might find on a car mat this time of year. Rock salt, I think here in the Northeast is a big one, right?
Mine's flooded with it.
It's everywhere. So you just go along, lots of power, lots of ease here. Even the bigger particulates, super simple. You saw how this made quick work of it. Because as you know, Limitless is a family-owned electronics company.
Yep, that's right.
Great people. They make things like the Charge Hub, all stuff that we
Literally
love.
father and son.
Yeah, and they've done things here that, you know, we all love, and this is no exception. So you get a great powered vacuum, lightweight, easy to do. But like I said, don't just take it to your car, take it all around your home, Justin.
You're gonna find so many uses around your house. Maybe it's that tiny little shelf where you're not gonna break out the big vacuum for. Handheld, get right in there nice and easy. The keyboard is a great use to be able to use this. Even like little spots, the nooks and crannies of your couch cushions that you don't wanna get it all up, but you could just get in there real quick. You could do that too.
100%, and it stores easily in this case. And the case folds down real, you know, not tall at all, so you can fit it under your car seat or anywhere, real convenient. And then you got all kinds of extensions here. So you hear when you turn it on, and then you rev it up higher if you want, get that big time suction. But you've got a dusting brush here that goes in, so into your car, you know, the cup holders of your car, in the crevices of seat, like you just said, you know, all those areas, you can go down in here and suck all of this mess up, and you're good to go. How else would you get in there? And you know, yes, it's a blower, which I'll show you in just a second. But if you blew this dust everywhere, it would just go in your car.
That's
you
right.
want to suck it up, this is the way to do it.
And you have the filter on the inside of it as well, which you can rinse out too.
That's exactly, washable permanent filter. Just wash it and let it air dry. You're good to go and ready. And it's got a charge, it can charge up in your car, in an outlet, wherever you need to. So the nice thing is it's always ready to go. If you're like me and you're kind of a neat freak about your car, this is the perfect tool to have.
Oh, it most certainly is. And I am one of those people where like, the springtime, I always keep it nice and clean. The winter gets dirty,
yeah,
and then
absolutely.
detail appointment. But think about how much money it is in order to have that detailing. If you've ever had it done, I will tell you mine, it's a couple $100s. And so when you can give yourself the ability with that small little portable handheld vacuum to get in there and do your cleaning in your car, it's worth the price of admission. But the fact that you're gonna find so many other places to use this as well, I think that's it's so beneficial. Camping, in a little tent, you're not bringing your big vacuum with you in the tent. Little handheld thing to be able to have, it's great. An RV, if you are somebody who has an RV, I think of my in-laws who do, this is a must to be able to have because it also is a blower as well.
It does, so it's pretty cool. So what you're seeing here is there's an attachment on the back that basically the air that sucks in, it forces it into the small tube and then becomes a concentrated blower. So look down here on a keyboard, all right? Like you said earlier, you know, you're a big electronics guy. You know the dust gets in your keyboard.
And it can be detrimental to the keyboard.
You're exactly right. So blow it all out. You can suck it out, but the blower is a real concentrated air that blows it all out. But then the good thing is you just take off that attachment, and you're right back to a vacuum cleaner again. So anywhere you can think of, you see pine needles right there? Justin, tell me you're not still cleaning up pine needles. It's a month later and you're still there.
I will tell you that I had a real tree 4 years ago and I still find pine needles from that.
Exactly.
I ended up going with Bethlehem Lights ever since that, and I decided never again. However, you're right. They do stick around forever, that little mess. There's 25 5-star reviews on this on QVC.com. And, go read the reviews, see what people say about this, and know that you have 30 days. If you don't love it, you can return it here. So if you see this on this clearance price, please do bring it at home. Give yourself the opportunity to put that power right there in your hands, to give yourself the ability to clean up all those little messes, whether it's in your car, around your house, at your office. Being able, you know where we actually need this? I need this for my dressing room.
Sure, absolutely.
We have, for all the vacuums that we sell here at QVC, we have this tiny little vacuum backstage that's shared amongst all 30 hosts here at QVC.
That's funny.
Share the one small tiny little vacuum. I need my own to be able to use just to get all the dust up, because there's some construction going on backstage.
Certainly.
Things get really dusty easily. It would be great. Also great for a dorm room too.
Yeah, it is. My daughter's a senior in college. She has one of those super easy. You don't have a lot of space right in college. And then to your point, even if there's construction or dust, you have that permanent filter, takes it right out. It's not going to jam up the motor, so you're good to go. It's just simple, easy, lightweight, and effective.
You know what else is lightweight? This price too. It's $39.99. It should be $63. We only have 350 of these to go around. That's it. This is everything that you get that you see right here. It's coming to us from Limitless. The sneakers that I have on, let me just move this out of the way for a second to show you. They are from Vionics, and they are super comfortable. They're little loafers that I was able to just get right in, not have to worry about tying my shoes at all. They